Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 32 under Test of Orals Section 3. So the instruction is from the words lettered A to D, choose the word that rhymes with the given word. So the given word is file. Option A is sigh, B pine, C blitz, D aisle. So I will transcribe the word given to us, then transcribe each of the options so we can look at the sounds there and then see which one rhymes with the word given to us. So file is transcribed this way. File. So you see that this is the sound we are looking at. Aisle. So sigh is transcribed this way. Sigh. Option B, pine, is transcribed this way. So ein, pine. Remember, this is diphthong I. Option C, blitz, is transcribed this way. Blitz. So option D, aisle, is transcribed this way. So from what we have here, we can see that option D, aisle, is the same, contains the same sounds you have here in file. Therefore, aisle rhymes with file, and the correct answer is D, aisle. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and also for more past questions and answers. Thank you.